Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of chair yoga. This unique form of yoga is designed to make the practice accessible to everyone, regardless of age, flexibility, or physical ability. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, chair yoga offers a gentle yet effective way to experience the many benefits of yoga. Before we begin, we have noticed 80% of viewers have yet to subscribe, so please do. It doesn't cost anything, and your help would support the channel and your comments would help ensure we produce suitable content for you. Right, back to chair yoga. This is a practice that welcomes everyone to enjoy the amazing benefits of yoga, from improving flexibility and strength to reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. Chair yoga has something to offer everyone. It doesn't matter your age, how flexible you are, or if you have any physical challenges. Chair yoga is adaptable to meet your needs, making it a perfect choice for those who may find traditional yoga poses challenging. Chair yoga is gentle yet powerful, bringing the magic of yoga right to your chair. You can practice it at home, in the office, or even while traveling. All you need is a sturdy chair and a little bit of space. It reminds us that moving our bodies is like medicine, and anyone can do it anywhere. The beauty of chair yoga is that it can be done by anyone, regardless of their physical condition or environment. Imagine feeling stronger and more flexible without leaving your seat. Chair yoga allows you to stretch and strengthen your muscles, improve your posture, and increase your range of motion, all from the comfort of your chair. Picture yourself letting go of tension in your shoulders and back, all while sitting comfortably. Chair yoga helps to release stress and tension, promoting relaxation and a sense of well-being. That's the beauty of chair yoga. It's a practice that can be tailored to fit your individual needs and abilities, making it accessible to everyone. You get to experience the wonderful benefits of traditional yoga poses with the support of a chair. This support allows you to safely explore a variety of poses and movements, enhancing your practice and deepening your connection to your body. Whether you've done yoga before or you're completely new, chair yoga is a welcoming way to explore movement, breath, and mindfulness. It's a practice that encourages you to listen to your body and move in a way that feels good for you. It's a practice that respects your body just as it is today, meeting you wherever you are on your journey. Chair yoga is about honoring your body and its capabilities and finding joy in movement. So, grab a comfy chair and let's begin this journey of gentle movement and self-discovery together. Chair yoga is a wonderful way to connect with yourself and others, and to experience the many benefits of yoga in a supportive and accessible way. This practice is all about finding what feels good for you. It's about exploring your body's capabilities and discovering new ways to move and stretch. No fancy equipment or previous experience needed. Chair yoga is simple and accessible, making it easy for anyone to get started. All you need is an open mind and a willingness to explore. So, let's get started. Join us in this beautiful practice and discover the many benefits of chair yoga for yourself. As you settle into your chair, let's take a moment to connect with our breath. Feel the support of the chair beneath you, grounding you to the present moment. Notice how your body feels as it makes contact with the chair, and allow yourself to fully arrive in this space. You can gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. If not, simply soften your gaze and look downwards. The goal is to minimize visual distractions and turn your focus inward. Begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath, how your chest gently rises and falls as you breathe in and out. There's no need to change anything about your breath right now. Just observe it as it is. Feel the air entering through your nose, cool and refreshing, and then leaving your body, warm and soothing. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. Imagine filling your entire body with fresh, energizing air. As you inhale, visualize the breath reaching every corner of your body, bringing with it a sense of calm and renewal. Breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be holding. As you exhale, imagine all the stress and worries leaving your body with the breath. Feel your shoulders drop and your muscles relax with each out-breath. Let's do this deep, mindful breathing for a few more cycles, allowing your body to soften and relax. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Notice how your body responds to this gentle attention, perhaps feeling a bit more at ease with each passing moment. Now let's gently wake up our spines with some easy neck stretches. These movements will help release any built-up tension and prepare our bodies for the day ahead. slowly drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Take your time with this movement, allowing the stretch to deepen naturally. Hold for a few breaths and then gently lift your head back to the center. Feel the difference in sensation between the two sides of your neck. Repeat on the other side. Drop your left ear towards your left shoulder, feeling the stretch along the right side of your neck. Again, hold for a few breaths and then return your head to the center. Remember, this practice is about listening to your body and respecting its limits. Each day may feel different, and that's perfectly okay. Honor where you are today. Move slowly and mindfully, and never force yourself into any position that causes pain or discomfort. This is your time to nurture and care for yourself, so be gentle and kind with your body. Let's move into some gentle stretches for our upper body, releasing tension in the shoulders, neck, and back. These stretches are perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting at a desk or working on a computer. They can help alleviate stiffness and improve your overall posture. Start by interlacing your fingers behind you, pressing your palms together. This simple movement helps to open up the chest and stretch the front of your shoulders. Make sure to sit up tall, engaging your core to support your spine. Breathe in deeply as you lift your arms overhead, reaching your knuckles towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch along your sides and through your shoulders. This movement not only stretches your muscles, but also encourages deep breathing, which can help to calm your mind. Breathe out slowly as you lower your arms back down. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension you might be holding in your upper body. This is a great way to reset and refresh, especially during a busy day. Repeat this stretch a few more times, feeling a gentle opening in your chest and shoulders with each inhale. Each repetition helps to increase flexibility and range of motion in your upper body. Take your time and move with your breath. Next, let's try some shoulder rolls. These are excellent for loosening up the muscles around your shoulders and neck. Start with small circles and gradually make them larger as you feel more comfortable. Breathe in as you circle your shoulders up towards your ears. Feel the muscles around your neck and shoulders engage. This movement helps to increase blood flow and can reduce feelings of tightness. Breathe out as you roll your shoulders back and down, feeling your shoulder blades gently move towards each other. This action helps to open up your chest and improve your posture. Continue these shoulder rolls for a few more cycles, letting any tension melt away with each exhale. Notice how your shoulders feel more relaxed and your upper body feels lighter. Remember to keep your breath slow and steady throughout these movements. Deep, mindful breathing enhances the benefits of these stretches and helps to calm your nervous system. If you feel any discomfort, simply adjust the stretch or take a break. It's important to listen to your body and move in a way that feels good for you. These stretches should feel gentle and relieving, not painful. Now let's engage our core muscles with some gentle twists. Sit up tall in your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Inhale deeply, lengthening your spine. As you exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right, placing your left hand on your right thigh and your right hand behind you for support. Inhale deeply as you lengthen your spine once more. Exhale as you deepen the twist, drawing your belly button towards your spine. Hold for a few breaths, then gently release the twist and repeat on the other side. These gentle twists help to improve digestion, boost circulation, and release tension in the spine. Remember to move mindfully, listening to your body's cues and respecting any limitations. Let's now focus on our lower body with some soothing leg and hip stretches. Start by extending your right leg out in front of you, flexing your foot. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently lean forward from your hip crease, keeping your back straight. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your leg. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly release the stretch. Repeat this stretch on the other side. Next, let's open up the hips with a seated pigeon pose. Place your right ankle on top of your left thigh, flexing your right foot. If it feels comfortable, you can gently lean forward from your hips, keeping your spine straight. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly release the pose and repeat on the other side. Remember to breathe deeply throughout these stretches, allowing your breath to guide you deeper into each pose. Gap 3S. Now that we've given our legs and hips a good stretch, let's try some more chair yoga. These exercises are great for becoming more flexible and relaxed. They're perfect if you want to move more during your day, all from your chair. First, let's do a seated spinal twist. This will make your spine more flexible and help your digestion. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, gently twist your upper body to the right. Put your left hand on the outside of your right thigh. Use your right hand to hold onto the back of the chair so you feel steady. Stay in this position for a few breaths, feeling the stretch along your spine. Slowly come back to the center and do the twist again on the other side. Next, let's do a seated side stretch. This will open up the sides of your body and release any tension. Start by sitting tall, with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, raise your right arm up and over your head, reaching towards the left side. Keep your left hand on the chair for support. Feel the stretch along the right side of your body. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly come back to the center and do the same on the other side. Finally, let's try a seated forward fold. This will calm your mind and stretch your lower back. Sit on the edge of your chair with your feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, bend forward from your hips, letting your upper body fall over your thighs. Let your arms hang down towards the floor or rest them on your shins for support. Take a few deep breaths here, feeling the gentle release in your back and shoulders. Slowly roll back up to a seated position. These chair yoga exercises are simple, but they really work. You can do them anytime to feel less stressed, more flexible, and more relaxed. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching. Now let's explore some simple balance exercises to strengthen our core and improve stability. Begin by sitting tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently lift your right foot off the floor, bringing your knee towards your chest. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly lower your foot back down. Repeat this exercise on the other side. As you gain confidence, you can challenge yourself further by extending your lifted leg out in front of you, holding for a few breaths before lowering it back down. Remember to engage your core muscles throughout these exercises to maintain stability and balance. Now that we've explored some individual poses, let's connect our breath and movement in a gentle flowing sequence. Begin by sitting tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Inhale deeply, reaching your arms overhead. Exhale as you twist your upper body to the right, placing your left hand on your right thigh and your right hand behind you. Inhale back to center, reaching your arms overhead. Exhale as you twist to the left. Continue this flowing sequence for a few more cycles, moving with the rhythm of your breath. Remember to listen to your body and modify the movements as needed. As we come to the end of our practice, let's take a few moments to relax and unwind. Begin by sitting comfortably in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes gently if it feels comfortable. Take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension in your body. Continue this deep, conscious breathing for a few more cycles, allowing your body to completely relax. Bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice the feeling of your sit bones grounding down into the chair, the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, and the feeling of calm washing over you. Well done for completing this gentle chair yoga practice. Remember, this is your practice, and you have the power to change it to suit your needs and what you enjoy. Always listen to your body and respect its limits. If you feel any pain or discomfort, gently come out of the pose and ask a qualified healthcare professional for guidance if needed. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to enjoying the benefits of any type of movement. Even a few minutes of chair yoga each day can make a big difference in how you feel overall. So find what feels good and enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this chair yoga practice has left you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and empowered to move your body with kindness and care. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is incredibly helpful and allows me to create content that meets your needs and interests. Let's continue to support each other on this journey of movement, mindfulness, and self-discovery together. Namaste.